How to block Reddit app on Android. You'll have to download the App Block application. Open Play Store. Simply search for the App Block application. You'll be able to see various apps that will allow you to block other apps. You can download any of it. I've downloaded this app for App Block. You can also install it. After it is installed, simply open the App Block application. Answer few questions in order to set it up. What you have to do is tap on this option Get Started that you can see on the screen. Once you do that, tap on the option Apps. Now you'll be able to see various categories over here. Tap on the search icon that you can see at top. You can simply search for Reddit. You'll be able to see the result over here. Simply check on the option Reddit. Once you do that, tap on the option Save. You'll also be able to see this question for block websites as well. Tap on the option Block. Now once you do that, you can see over here the Reddit application will be blocked. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.